Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types include objects, arrays and functions, and many more are there. We will learn slowly practically too. In previous video we have learned about primitive data types. If you didn't have seen that video, so go and see it, so then you can understand these non-primitive data types easily. So first type is an object. Object is a first type. An object is a complex data type that can hold multiple key values pairs. It is used to represent real world entities and is a collection of properties and methods. Meaning, object is a complex data type which can store many keys and values pair. In pair we can, like here is name in, and now it's a key and its value would be the name of the person, like this. It is object and it is used as a real world entities and is collection of properties and methods. Meaning, it is collection of many properties and methods. Meaning is like there are many properties and functions, methods you can say, which are used in object. Objects are created by using curly braces or the new object constructor. Objects are created in these curly braces, or it can be created with new object and this parenthesis constructor. We will learn practically. I know you would not understand anything, but we will learn practically in next videos. Other type is arrays. An array is a special type of object that stores a list of values. Each value is an array is associated with an index starting from 0. Arrays are created using square brackets, like these are square brackets. And example 1 2 3, this is example of array. It's a array, it's example. Meaning, like array is a type of object that store many multiple values of any type. Many values we can store in array. Each value of array is associated with an index. Meaning, each value of array has one index number and first value would have 0, and like this the index number starts from 0. And arrays are created using square brackets like this. So our other type is function. In JavaScript, functions are treated as first class citizens. They can be assigned to variable passed as argument to other functions and return from functions. Functions are used for encapsulating reusable blocks of codes. Meaning, functions are treated as first class citizen. They can use we can use it in variables and we can pass it as argument and other functions we can use. It is function and return from function. Meaning, in function we can write a function which is returned from a function. Functions are used for encapsulating reusable blocks of code. So thank you guys. In this video only this much. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.